Welcome to our tutorial on spelling and grammar check in Microsoft Word. In this video, we'll guide you through the powerful features that ensure your documents are error-free. Learn how to effortlessly catch and correct spelling mistakes and grammatical errors, making your writing polished and professional. Let's dive in the art of precision in your written work. In the previous lesson, we learned about automatic spelling check, and to avoid distractions during input, we showed you how to disable it. But imagine you finished entering text and want to check if there are any errors. You can launch the spelling check in the Review tab in the first group. By clicking on the spelling and grammar icon, a checking panel appears on the right, and we immediately see the first error. In the word money, the letters N have been swapped. This is a spelling error. We can change this word to money. Simply choose the option from the list and click Change. If you suspect you might have made the same mistake multiple times, you can click Change All, and the program will correct all instances. If the word is spelled correctly but highlighted by the program as incorrect, you can choose to ignore it. It won't be marked as an error in this document anymore. If you have several such words, you can ignore them all. Finally, you can simply add the word to the dictionary. Then, the program won't highlight it as an error in the current or any other document. In our case, the word is indeed misspelled, so I choose the option money and click Change. The next highlighted word immediately appears. Where we made an error, currency, the correct word option is already selected. Just click Change. At the bottom of the panel, we see the language for checking. Currently, it's English. If you need check word spelling in other language, we need to change the checking language. Open the drop-down menu, and here, we find the language we need. After the last error is corrected, a notification appears that the spelling check is complete. Click OK. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of spelling and grammar check in Microsoft Word. We hope you found valuable insights to elevate your writing game. Remember, precision in language enhances communication. Keep crafting your words with confidence and clarity. Farewell for now, and happy writing.